ASUS ScreenPad gives you a secondary display on your laptop with features that give you the ultimate multitasking superpowers. If you're working on your main display but want to watch a sports game at the same time, simply use the app switcher function to launch the video on ScreenPad. Now you can keep working on your main display without missing the game. When you're finished with your work, launch the video on the main screen with a single tap and enjoy the bigger viewing experience. You can also pull photos or documents down to ScreenPad for cross-referencing when you're creating content on the main screen. If you need to communicate with your colleagues while you're working, you can now add your chat box onto ScreenPad. Next time you click on the chat box app on ScreenPad, the app will automatically appear on the ScreenPad display. You can reserve your main display for your main task, such as video editing, while quickly replying to messages on ScreenPad without having to switch between windows. You can also work more efficiently with the built-in ScreenPad utility apps. For example, if you need to key in numbers, Number Key speeds up the process. There are several other utilities to assist you with tasks on the main screen. Try them all out to discover the best ones for speeding up your workflow. You can also use various other apps on ScreenPad, such as your favorite weather app. You can check the weather on ScreenPad while researching and planning for a trip schedule. This gives you more space to plan your trip on the main screen, and you won't have to constantly shift between apps. Explore the endless possibilities by making the best use of ScreenPad and enjoy your new multitasking superpowers.
Apple MacBook Air. Stunning 13.3-inch Retina display with Triton technology. Backlit Magic Keyboard and Touch ID. 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor. Intel Iris Plus graphics. Fast SSD storage. 8 GB of memory. Stereo speakers with wider stereo sound. 2 Thunderbolt 3, USB-C ports. Up to 11 hours of battery life. Force Touch trackpad. Acer Predator Triton gaming laptop. 10th generation Intel Core i7 to 10750H6 core processor, up to 5.0 GHz, with Windows 10 Home. Overclockable NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super graphics with Max-Q design and 8 GB of dedicated GDDR6 RAM. 15.6 Full HD 1920x1080 widescreen LED backlit IPS display with NVIDIA G-Sync technology 300Hz refresh rate 3 milliseconds overdrive response time 300 nit brightness 100% sRGB 16 GB DDR4 2933 MHz memory 512 GB NVMe SSD 2x PCIe 2 slots with 1 slot open for easy upgrades. Per key RGB backlit keyboard with customizable lighting LAN. Killer Gaming Network E3100G wireless. Killer Double Shot Pro Wireless AX 1650 i800 2.11 AX Wi-Fi 6 4th Gen All Metal Aeroblade 3D fan. MSI GL65 Leopard gaming laptop. 15.6 FHD IPS level 144Hz 72% NTSC thin bezel close to 100% sRGB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2078 GDDR6 Intel Core i7 to 10750H 2.6 to 5.0 GHz Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX 20122X 512 GB NVMe SSD 16 GB, 8G2, DDR4 2666 MHz 2 sockets max memory 64 GB. USB 3.1 GEN2 Type-C 1 USB 3.2 GEN1 3 SteelSeries per key RGB, with anti-ghost key plus silver lining 720p HD webcam. WIN10 multi-language giant speakers 3W26L, 51WH, Li-ion 230 watts. HP laptop. Your career essential. With Wi-Fi 6, 2x, and BLUETOOTHR 5 connections, HP True Vision HD webcam, and an integrated numeric keypad, this 15-inch laptop has all the essential features you need for a productive workday, whether you're in the office or at home. Design and style with performance to match. Stay connected and productive with long-lasting battery life and a thin and portable micro-edge bezel design. BIOS recovery and protection. Automatically checks the health of your PC, protects against unauthorized access, secures local storage, and recovers itself from boot-up issues. Display: 15.6-inch diagonal Full HD anti-glare micro-edge WLED backlit display, 1920x1080, 82% screen-to-body ratio. Fast processor. 10th generation Intel Coretm i5 to 1035 G1 quad-core 1.0 GHz base frequency up to 3.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. Fast boot up with solid-state drive and higher bandwidth memory. Boot up in seconds, transfer files without waiting hours, and enjoy a speedier experience with the internal 256GB PCIe, NVMe TM, M2 SSD, and higher bandwidth, speed and efficiency with 8GB DDR4 to 2666 SDRAM, 1x 8GB, not upgradable. Battery life. Up to 10 hours and 15 minutes, mixed usage, up to 6 hours and 30 minutes, video playback, up to 8 hours and 30 minutes, wireless streaming, 0 to 50%, charge in 45 minutes with HP Fast Charge. Thin, light and portable, unpackaged. 14.11 inches, W, x 9.53 inches, D, x 0.71 inches, H, 3.75 pounds. Environmentally conscious. Low halogen, mercury-free display backlights, arsenic-free display glass in this Energy STARR, certified EPEATR, silver registered laptop.
ASUS ScreenPad Plus is a secondary display on your laptop that offers a host of features for more efficient multitasking. The special form factor is designed to give you game-changing laptop computing experience. Instead of plugging in external displays, ScreenPad Plus gives you a built-in secondary ultra-wide touchscreen for a seamless multitasking experience. ASUS has also developed several intuitive functions to make it easier to work with two screens. With App Switcher, you can easily move windows between the two displays on your laptop. For example, move a folder with materials you need to ScreenPad Plus so you can multitask and get things done on the main display. Or move the window back to the main display for a bigger viewing experience. You can add any apps onto the ScreenPad Plus launcher by dragging the apps onto the Add icon. You can also directly drag the apps onto the ScreenPad Plus launcher. These apps will automatically launch on the ScreenPad Plus display when you tap on their respective icons. Tap the Edit icon on the top right corner to personalize the pinned apps on ScreenPad Plus. Drag to rearrange the order, or tap the X icon to remove them. The ViewMax function maximizes content, displaying it across both screens so you'll have a seamless experience across a large display. The Organizer function helps you make the most out of multitasking by dividing ScreenPad Plus into 2 or 3 blocks. Drag windows onto ScreenPad Plus and use the shaded lines along the top of the display to organize windows. You can also choose to divide ScreenPad Plus into just 2 blocks for a wider view. If you want to swap tasks between the main screen and ScreenPad Plus, simply tap the Task Swap button on the ScreenPad Plus launcher or the Task Swap hotkey on the keyboard. The Task Group function lets you personalize hotkeys and open up to 5 apps on both screens with a single tap. Select Task Group on the ScreenPad Plus launcher and get started in an instant. Manage all open apps on ScreenPad Plus by tapping the App Navigator icon in Launcher. A list of these apps will appear, and you can close opened apps through tapping the X icon, or simply click the app Windows to reopen the app on ScreenPad Plus. With the handwriting app, you can input handwritten text in an intuitive way. It supports all Windows languages with handwriting recognition support. To explore more, go to Settings to adjust ScreenPad Plus brightness, change your background, or learn more by going through the interactive quick guide. Make the most out of multitasking with ScreenPad Plus.
Lenovo Flex 5 14 2-in-1 laptop. IdeaPad Flex 5. The IdeaPad Flex 5 gives you more creative choices by blending performance, connectivity, entertainment and affordability with a sleek design and feel. Processor. Proudly powered by AMD Ryzen 5 4500U mobile processor with Radeon graphics, the IdeaPad Flex 5 14 offers you excellent all-around performance, graphics and more productivity in a flexible device built to be what you need it to be. Privacy at your fingertips. Today's world is not a simple place, but that doesn't mean we can't build a simple solution to a complex problem. A physical shutter on the webcam ensures you keep out unwanted attention when you are concerned about your privacy. Create till you heart's content. This isn't your typical laptop, it's a fashion statement. The IdeaPad Flex 5 is built with a new level of attention to detail, making this machine soft and comfortable to the touch with a durable paint that creates a better user experience. Active pen included, from 0 degrees to 360 degrees in a flash. The IdeaPad Flex 5 is designed for you to keep your ideas flowing, anywhere, anytime with the ability to multi-mode your laptop and use it in laptop mode for everyday computing, tent mode for sharing things, stand mode for binge watching, or tablet mode for more intuitive interaction. HP HD Touchscreen Premium Laptop. Fast processor 10th generation Intel Coretm i5 to 1035 G1 processor quad-core 10GHz base, frequency up to 36 GHz with Intel's Turbo Boost technology. Display 15.6-inch diagonal HD SPA Bright View Micro Edge WLED backlit touchscreen display, 1366x768. Fast boot up with SSD boot up in seconds, transfer files without waiting hours, and enjoy a snappier experience with the internal solid-state drive, 512GB PCIe NVMe M2 solid-state drive. 1 HDMI 1.4B1 headphone microphone combo, 1 USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 1, data transfer up to 5 GB per second, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1, data transfer only, 1 AC smart pin. Windows 10 Home No DVD. Acer Swift 3 Thin and Light Laptop. With a sleek aluminum and magnesium aluminum metal chassis, high screen-to-body ratio and long-lasting battery, the Swift 3 notebook is the perfect companion for those on the go. This ultra-portable notebook is only 2.6 pounds and only 0.63 inches thin, and features an AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor and long-lasting battery for hours of productivity. The elegant silver chassis delivers eye-popping graphics on its 14 Full HD IPS display for the most memorable multimedia experience. Precision imagery. Watch more on less. With the 0.21 narrow bezels and an impressive 82.73% screen-to-body ratio, you get to see more of the vivid 14:16:9 FHD IPS screen. Next-gen CPU. The Swift 3 packs a lot of power into the chassis. With up to 8 ultra-responsive Zen 2 processor cores for productivity, gaming, and content creation on the go, AMD Ryzen 4000 series are the world's most advanced laptop processors. Accelerate everything you do with the AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor. Dell Inspiron laptop notebook computer. Intel Core i5 to 1035G11. 0 GHz, turbo to 3. 60 GHz, 6 MB cache, 4 cores, 8 threads, Intel UHD graphics with shared graphics memory. RAM is upgraded to 16 GB memory for better multitasking. Hard drive is upgraded to 512 GB SSD plus 1 TB HDD. 512 GB SSD solid-state drive has faster data access speed, better performance and greater reliability. 1 TB HDD for larger storage, so you could store more data and files on it. 17. 3-inch FHD, 1920x1080, anti-glare LED backlit non-touch WVA display. Built-in HD webcam with dual array microphone. DVD, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Windows 10 Home. 1x, USB 2. 0, 2x USB 3. 1 Gen 1, 1x USB 3. 1 Type-C, 1x RJ45, 1x HDMI, 1x headphone output microphone input combo. ASUS ZenBook Duo UX 481. ScreenPad Plus. 12.6-inch matte touchscreen, giving you endless way to optimize your multitasking experience by extending the screen or split windows and apps on both displays. 14 inches Full HD NanoEdge touchscreen glossy main display. Latest 10th generation Intel Core i7 10510U processor, 8M cache, up to 4.9 GHz. Fast storage and memory featuring 512 GB NVMe M2 SSD with 8 GB LPDDR3 RAM. Built-in IR camera for facial recognition. Sign in with Windows Hello. Exclusive ergo lift designed for improved typing position, optimized cooling system and enhanced audio performance. Extensive connectivity with Gig plus Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x, HDMI, and USB Type-C.